Friends, today we are going to do some horrible experiment on some great mobile. Will the iPhone be able to deal with the deal machine in the experiment? Let's start with the deal machine on the iPhone. There is a small hole in the display. Later I increased the speed on the deal machine. This time the display of the iPhone exploded in few places. Black spot appear on the deal area, but the iPhone is still active. Friends, can we imagine what will happen if you put a hot iron on the iPhone? As soon as the hot iron piece was placed, a fire broke out in the middle of the display. After keeping the pieces of iron for a while, the whole display became useless. The rear glass burst as soon as the heated iron pieces in placed on the other side. After a while, the whole phone caught fire. In this experiment, we will put a mobile phone in the real life. What can happen? The phone fell to pieces under the wheels of the train. What happens if an iPhone is thrown to the ground from a helicopter?
3, 2, 1.
Incredibly, the iPhone is still active but has exploded in a few places on the front and back. What happens if you shoot a stone at the iPhone? As soon as the shot was fired, the inside of the iPhone exploded and the entire phone was damaged. Friends, can we imagine what will happen if an iPhone was left in hot oil? As soon as the iPhone is released into the oil, it starts to bubble and the smoke starts to rise. Then all of a sudden the oil spill caught fire inside. Inside the heated oil, the iPhone becomes completely useless.